is getting, it's coming back. People are buying. There's more money out there. The stock market's going up. At least the perception there's more money. And there's more jobs. That's what they're telling us. So if there's more money and more jobs, then there's more people buying. You will never know. This is really important. Listen, really, really important. Someone comes to your store, unless you are a fanatic for silver and you only going to have silver, that's it. I'm not having anything else. I respect that. But if you want to make some extra money, you might want to be flexible and you say, okay, Peter, this is a really good selling item. You take your top 30 selling items, you say, Peter, give me gold images, put it up online. And then when people like your theme, they like the best one, they see it in gold, they go, oh, my mother always, or my cousin or my friend, they were shopping with me and they always wanted, or I wanted a piece of gold, but you never had it. And I didn't know I could get it. But I love that piece and I wear gold too. Or my friend only wears gold, but she loves my jewelry. So friends come to your website, boom, $700 sale. $400 sale minimum, $1,000, $1,200 sale. Do it a couple of times a week. Get out your calculator. Just add $1,000 a week. $50,000. Boom! For some people, I just increased your business by 200%. Some people 100%. Some people 50%. It's your time. There's no money involved. It's just like drop ship, except we'll send you the gold order. And you get it at wholesale. It's not a drop ship pricing structure. It's a wholesale pricing structure. That's where you get another huge benefit. And I'll tell you, no place in the world is there a gold collection like the Peter Stone 43 niche markets. If you start offering some of that in gold, it can't be found anywhere else. And you got it. You're different. When people are spinning through on their phone, on their computer, they stop, they go, wow, I've never seen anything like that before. Boom, stop, back, click, buy. Look, these are solutions. This is so valuable. This is so valuable. Drop shipping. If you're already an existing customer of Peter Stone, your drop shipping program, it says $200. It's free. Do you like that kind of fine print? Peter Stone is the total opposite, and we've always been that way with our business philosophy. We're here to help give you real value. So in the drop shipping, you go click, buy. Oh, it's $200. You just have to say, I'm a wholesale customer. We'll give you a coupon and it'll be free to you. You'll just contact us and say, I want to get the drop shipping program. Peter said it's free. It is free for existing customers. And if you're not, I will tell you, by investing and starting your business wholesale and getting the minimum $500 order and getting the drop shipping on top of it is a huge value.